Welcome back to class 5th. This is your math class of chapter number 3, large numbers. Today we are going to start exercise 3rd B. Already in previous video we have finished up to exercise 3rd A. That was over in session 5. But this is your session 6 video. In this video we will start this one exercise. As you can see on the screen, question number first, what is given? Fill in. Okay. So first part, see this one. In 5,27,981, comma 5 is in the dash place. Here asking what? Place. 5 is in the which one place? You can count the place. Look at the place of 5 in this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So 5 is given in lakh place. So write here lakh. Okay. Next. And 7 is in the. Asking the place of 7 also. Look at the place of 7. You can see here 7 is given 1,000 place. So here you have to write 1,000. THOUSAND. Okay. Remember it. Here not asking place value. Asking only place. In which place digit are given. Okay. Next, B1 part. In 36,41,111, 3 is in the dash place. Asking here place of 3. 3 is given in which place? 10 lakh. So write here. You can count also. 1 tens place. Sorry, 1 ones place. Again tens place. And next one 100 place. Then again 1 it is given 1,000 place. 4 is given 10,000, 6 lakh place and 3 10 lakh place. So here write as 10 lakh. Okay. Next, and 4 is in the. Asking of which one? 4 also. So 4, which one place is given? 4 is given. You can see here at 10,000 place. Okay. So here you have to write 10,000. Okay. You can write here completely spelling of 1,000. As I have written 10 th. Similarly, you can do C1 part also, because here asking place only. Okay. Next, see this one D part. What is given? 4,87,952. The digit is in the lakhs place. Okay. Here asking digit only. Which one digit is given in the lakh place? So you can see ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Lakh place digit what is coming? 4. So here write 4. Here asking digit only. And its place value. Place value what will be of 4? 4 is given at lakh place. So place value what will be of 4? 4 lakh only. Okay. So write here 4 lakh. In lakh how many 0 will be? 5 0. Okay. Next, even part. Here also given 75 lakh 23,490. The digit in the 10 lakh place. Asking which one digit? 10 lakh place. What is given 10 lakh place digit? 7. You can count also. So write here 7. 7 is given at 10 lakh place. Okay. And its place value. Place value of 7 what will be? When 7 is given, 10 lakh place. So place value of 7 what will be 70 lakh. So write here 70 lakh. Make here 60. Okay, because in 10 lakh how many zero will be 6 only. Got it? Similarly you can do F1 part also. So this is your homework, F1 part. Next G1 part. What is given? In 30 lakh 90,500 the place value of 3 is. Asking here place value of 3. Firstly you can see 3 in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 3 is given at 10 lakh place. So place value of 3 will be 3 into 10 lakh. So it is equal to 30 lakh. Okay. So how many zero will be here? 60. Got it? Next, and that of 9 is. Asking the place value of 9 also. Look at the place of 9. 9 is given at 10,000. So 9 into 10,000 how much will be? 90,000. Clear? Next, in 8 crore 17 lakh 6,903. In this number, the place value of 8 is. Place value of 8. What will be? Clearly you can see 8 is coming crore place. So place value of 8 will be 8 crore. Okay. So write here 8 crore. And how many zero will be crore? 7 zero. Okay. Next is given 6. Clearly you can see 6 is given at which place? It is given 1000 place. So place value of 6 what will be? 6,000 only. So write here 6,000. Got it? Now see the next question. What is given? It is given. Write the place value of the given digit. We have to find the place value of given digit as given in square. Okay. So let us see first part. It is 52,974. First box digit what is given? 5. You can see 5 is given 10,000. So place value will be 50,000. Okay. Next 2 is given. 2 is given 1000 place. So place value will be 2 into 1000, 2000 only. Okay. Next 9 is given. 9 is given at 100 place. So place value 9 what will be? 900 because it is given at 100 place. Next is given 4. Digit is given 4. You can see 4 is given at ones place. So 4 ones 4 only. Similarly this one B part also 36,801. Asking here place value which one? 1. 1 is given at a ones place. So place value 1 ones 1 only. Next 8. 8 is given 100. So place value 800. Next digit is given 6. 6 is given 1000 place. So 6 into 1000 place value will be 6,000. Then next 3 is given 10,000. So place value of 3 will be 3 into 10,000 30,000. Got it? Similarly next part 2,63,475. Here is given 2. So 2 is given at lakh place. So place value what will be of 2? 2 lakh. Right here Okay. The next 6 is given. You can see 6 is given 10,000. So place value will be 6 into 10,000, 60,000. The next 3. 3 is given 1000. So 3 into 1000, place value will be 3,000 only. Then 4 is given 100 place. So 4 into 100 will be 400. Okay. Next, see the D1 part. Here it is given. Six lakh 547. So firstly asking place value, which one number? 2. 2 is given 1000 place. Simply count the place of 2. So 2 into 1000 will be 2000. Next 6 is given lakh place. So place value of 6 will be 6 lakh. Okay. One more 0 will be. The next 3 is given 10,000. So 3 into 10,000 will be 30,000. The next asking place value of 4. 4 is given tens place. So 4 tens are 40. Okay. Next E part 63,42,059. Asking here place value of 2. You can see 2 is given at 1000 place. So 2 into 1000, 2000. Then 6 is given 10 lakh. So 6 into 10 lakh will be 60 lakhs. So how to write? 6 after? It will be 60 lakh. Okay. Then 3 is given. You can see 3 is given lakh place. So what will be here? 3 after 3 lakh only. Then 4, it is given at 10,000. So 4 into 10,000 will be 40,000. Okay. Got it? Similarly, you can do other remaining part also. Okay. So F, G, H and I. These part will be your homework. Got it? And J1 part also. Now let us see the next question number 3. See this one. Here is given. Make the sign for greater or equal. Okay, which one digit is bigger? We may have to make sign that one side, and which one is equal? Make them sign equal only. Okay. So let us see. Third A part. It is given 27,365, and this one is given 27,356 only. So firstly, what you have to do? Only check the place digit and only check always from left to right. You can see here both digits are given up to 10,000. So here you can see 10,000 place, here is 27 and here also 27. Both are equal. Then we have to check next place. 100 place 3, here also 3. Both are equal. Then again check next number. Tens place 6 and here is 5. 6 is bigger by 5. Okay. Which one number it is coming more? 27,365, because here is tens place 6 is coming more by 5. So make sign left side. Got it? Next B part. Here is given 2,23,374. and here also given 2,23,374. Both number are coming equal and same number, so make the sign of equal. Okay, next this one part, it is given up to how much place? Firstly count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore. It is given up to crore place, and right side how much? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. It is given up to 10 crore and this is given crore. So 10 crore is bigger by crore. So make sign right one side. Okay. Next even part, it is given 43,58,397 and this is given 4,35,83,000. Clearly you can see it is coming up to how much place? Lakh only, and this one is coming up to crore place. So crore is bigger by lakh, so make sign right one side. Okay. Now see G1 part. It is given up to how much place? Ones, tens, hundred, after 3 digit comma, then 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, then after million. It is given 5 million. According to international system we call it 5 million, and if we call it according to Indian system we can call it 50 lakh also. Okay. Next, it is given ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is also given 50 lakh. 50 lakh are equal to 5 million. So both are equal, then make sign equal only. Okay. Next H1 part. Here see, look at the place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. It is given 6,78,52,342, and this one ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore. It is given 6,78,52,977. You can see clearly crore place 6, both are equal, and 10 lakh place 78 only, both are equal. 10,000 place 52, these also equal. Then 100 place here is given 3, and here 100 place 9 is given, here is 9. So 9 is bigger by 3. So which one number will be bigger? Right side only. So we have to make sign right one side because 9 is bigger. Okay, at 100 place. Next J1 part. Here look at the place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. It is given 99 lakh 99,888. Okay. And next right one side. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore. And this one number is given up to crore, and this one is given up to lakh only. 10 lakh, sorry. So crore is bigger by 10 lakh. So we have to make sign right one side because crore is bigger by 10 lakh. Okay. Next K1 part. It is given 1,43,44,595, and this is given 12,34,097. Sorry, 34,97,568. It is given up to 10 crore place, and this one is given up to crore place. So 10 crore is bigger by 1, and clearly you can see here crore place 1 and here 10 crore place 1. Okay, but here not given 10 crore place, only crore place given. So which one is bigger? This one only, right one side we have to make sign because 10 crore. So right side digit coming up to 10 crore place, and left side digit is coming up to crore place only. Okay. So as I done these part, similarly you will do these remaining part. C, F, I and L. These part will be your homework. Got it? So up to here your session 6 video it is over. Okay, student, do practice of this one exercise. Which one exercise this is? Third B. And which part I gave you for homework? Do that also properly in your homework copy. If you having your book also, then you can fill in your book only. Okay, not need to in your copy. Clear? So student, till for today this is enough only. Thank you students. Have a nice day.